Children, today's lesson is convert between different units of measure. Now, you need to have your notebooks with a pencil, or if you have a whiteboard with your marker, or any kind of an A4 size sheet, because I will run you through this presentation, which will ask you certain questions, which you need to find the answers out along with me. Okay, children, we've been doing this since Monday now. I've done it on Monday, I've done it on Tuesday, and today again, so that I want to be absolutely sure that you're not getting confused when you are converting between different units of measure. All right, let's go for it. Okay, this is capacity as in liters. So when you have a water bottle or any kind of bottle, and we are trying to measure any liquid in liters, how do we do it? So we have milliliters, centiliters, and liters. Now, try and remember your math table that I had given on Monday for you to memorize. So how much is milliliters to centiliters? How much is centiliters to liters? So if it is 450 from milliliters, what will you have to go to centiliters? And from centiliters, what you have to go to liters? If you are going this way, what you have to do, and if you're going this way, what you have to do, where you have to times it and where you have to divide it. Try and remember. I will give you 1 minute. My timer will start now. The timer is on, and every time I give you a question, I'm going to wait so that you can give me those answers and check for yourself if those answers are correct. Okay. If not, then you'll again try to revisit the presentation that I had given to you on Sunday, or not Sunday, Monday, and try to see where you've gone wrong. Okay. All right. So that is our time. 1 minute is done. So now I'm going to show you the answers. Okay, so 450 milliliters is 45 centiliter and 0.45 liters. 370 centiliters is 3,700 milliliters and 3.7 liters. Could you make it exactly the same way? And which is larger? This is larger or this is larger? Children, you need to know where you have to multiply and where you have to divide to get your correct answers. If you've got this right, let me know. And if anybody has not got it right, they also need to let me know so that I tell you what your next steps will be. All right, now let's go on to the next slide. Now complete these. Half a kg is equal to how many grams? 3/4 kg is equal to how many grams? Which is greater, 1/3 kg or 1/4 kg? Your time starts now. Again, another minute to solve this. I'm waiting, children, 30 seconds more. Very easy. Half a kg is how many grams? 3/4 kg, how many grams? Who's bigger, 1/3 kg or 1/4 kg? All right, 10 seconds more. Ready with your answers? 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it, done. Your time is up. I'll show you the answers now. So half a kg is equal to 500 grams, 3/4 kg is equal to 750 grams. Which is greater, 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3 kg is 333 grams, 333. 1/4 is 250, so 1/3 is more than 1/4. How many of you could manage to get that answer? Let me know, please. Now, distance and length in meters. Match these measurements. So how much is 40 centimeter? You have to match here. How much is 4,000 millimeter? You need to match here. How much is 4 millimeter? Match 4 meter, 40 kilometer, 4,000 meter. You need to match with these and be ready with your answer. This is a little tricky, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Is that all right? Okay. Give me a moment. Yes, start your work now. 2 minutes to give me the answer, children. So 40 centimeter can also be written as what? 4,000 millimeter can also be written as what? 4 millimeter can also be written as what? 4 meter, 40 kilometer, 4,000 meters. I'm waiting, children. In the meanwhile, do you want me to put some music for you so that it doesn't get boring? Let me see. I'll try this. I hope you can hear that, children. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Another 50 seconds. Time is almost running out, children. Quickly. All right, I will look at the timer now. Yep, that's time. So you need to stop. Okay, now I'll show you the answers. So 40 centimeter is 0.4 meters. 4,000 millimeters, 4 meter. 4 millimeter is 0.4 centimeter. Oops, sorry. That was fast. Okay, oops, oopsie. Okay, so show all the answers now. Yeah, so these are the answers. 40 centimeters, 0.4 meter. 4,000 millimeter, 4 meters. 4 millimeter is 0.4 centimeter. 4 meters, 400 centimeters. 40 kilometers, 40,000 meters. 4,000 meters is 4 kilometers. So how many of you could crack all the answers? If not, no worries, because the more you practice, the more you will be able to get these. But as I told you earlier, you have to memorize that conversion mat. Once that is in your mind, you will never get wrong with your conversions. All right, so let's go and see what's there in the next slide. Conversion word problems, children. A teacher makes a mixed fruit juice drink, pouring three 750 milliliter cartons of juice into a large jug. What is the volume of the mixed juice drink in liters? So 750 ml. So what do you have to do? 3 times 750, that will give you that much amount of milliliters. Then you have to convert that amount to liters. How do you convert milliliters to liters? Please show me your working out. All right, so another 2 minutes for the same task. Your time starts now, and your music will also start now. Go for it, girls. Three times 750, find out how much that would be in milliliters, then convert milliliters to liters. Hurry up, children, time is moving out. All right, so now I'll pause the music and see how much time is left for you to finish. All right, let's see. Oops, yep, that's the time. So put your pens down, and it's time for me to show you the answer. Okay, so 3 times 750 ml is 2,250 ml. And to convert that into liters, what do you have to do? Divide 2250 divided by 1000. That gives you 2.25 liters. So 2250 divided by 1000 will give you 2.25 liters, because why are you dividing? You're moving from smaller to bigger, from milliliters to liters. All right. Okay. Just before I move on to the next slide, I will again put on the timer and the music. Let's see what's there in the next slide. Okay. Natalie and Christian measured the height of a classroom using 2 meter sticks and a ruler. 1 meter stick reaches the ceiling hand and 1 is touching the floor. The centimeter ruler measures the gap between the meter sticks. What is the height of the classroom in meters? So 1 meter stick reaches the ceiling. This is reaching our ceiling. And the 1 is touching the floor. Okay. The centimeter ruler measures the gap between the meter sticks. So this one is measuring the distance between these two. This is 1 ruler touching the ceiling. This is 1 ruler touching the floor. What is the gap in between? What is the height of the classroom in meters? So if the gap is starting from here to here is 9.5 centimeter, what is the height of the classroom in meters? So height of a classroom using 2 meter sticks and a ruler. 2 meter sticks. So 2 meter sticks are there. This is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, 2 meter. And this one is 9.5 centimeters. So if you add them up and then change the centimeter into meters, then what will be the total height of the classroom? So this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, so 2 meters are there. The gap is 9.5 centimeter. Change that into meter, add all of them up, and you will be ready with your answer. Now, I am putting your timer now, so start your work right away. Okay, start. And your music also starts. If you're ready with your answer, just be there. Once I stop the timer, I will come back to you and show you answers. Hurry up, children, time is running out. All right, now I'll go back to the time again. Let's see how much time is left. Yes, that's your time. Stop your work, put your pencils down. Okay, I've revealed the answers now. 2.1 meters, the gap between rulers measures 10 centimeters, so 2 meters plus 0.1 meter is equal to 2.1 meter. So the gap between the rulers measures 10 centimeter. Okay, so I took it as 9.5, no problem. So if you've taken it as a whole number, that's also fine. From here till here, 10 centimeters. So if you take it as 10 centimeters, that's also fine. 9.5 centimeters, that's also fine. So if you have taken it as 10 centimeter, which is equal to 0.1 meter. So 2 meters is this one, is also 1 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter was already there, plus 0.1 meter gives you 2.1 meter. Now, people who have worked, this gap is 9.5 centimeter. Let me know how much was it in meters when you converted that, and then add it to 2. That will give you your answer. All right, let's move on to the next slide. Natalie wants to weigh 500 grams of flour. She has a bowl, a bag of flour, and some scales. Explain how she could weigh the flour in the bowl. So Natalie wants to weigh 500 grams of flour. She has a bowl, a bag of flour. She has this bowl, she has this bag of flour, and she has this weighing machine. Explain how she could weigh the flour in the bowl. How will she weigh? What will she do? I'm not giving you any time for this answer because this is very easy. So quickly tell me what she needs to do. Tell me the steps. Think about it. Half a minute. Half a minute. Okay, half a minute you want music? All right. Okay, that's the end of half a minute. All right, so let's see the answer. Put the bowl on the scale. This bowl will come on the scale. Make a note of the weight. See how much that the bowl weighs. Add 500 grams to this and pour in the flour to the required weight. So now first you put this on the scale, check the weight. Then you put the flour in the bowl and you check the required weight. Wants to weigh 500 grams of flour. So first this one goes there, then this one goes there, and you can see your required weight on the weighing scale. Another one, very easy. Natalie wants to weigh half a kg of flour. She has a bowl weighing 235 grams. So this bowl weighs 235. A bag of flour and some scales. Explain how she could weigh the flour. So she would again put the bowl here. She already knows that it's 235 grams. And she wants to weigh half a kg of flour. So what will she do? Add the weight of the bowl to the required weight of flour. So 235 plus 500 is 735. Place the bowl on the scale and pour in flour as long as this number doesn't change to 735. So first you have to put this here, then keep on adding flour till you find 735 because the bowl itself weighs 235 and she wants to weigh another half a kg of flour. So 235 plus 500 is 735. So you have to keep the bowl here and keep pouring flour till this number changes to 735. All right, children, is that clear? If not, keep pausing me and listening to me. Keep pausing and listening to me so that you understand. Now dig into your own activities. I will be putting these as an attachment for you so that you can look into those and choose which worksheet you would work with. If you choose, you can do one. If you choose, you can do all of them. But as long as you are sure about your answers, you go ahead and complete your worksheets. All right. That brings us to the end of today's lesson, children. I hope you've enjoyed it because I love teaching conversion of measures. And I will also try to see if I can put in some Education City activity for you to go through, but not sure. I'll check. Till then, you enjoy this lesson. Dig into your worksheets. Once done, send them to your portfolio for me to feedback. All right. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning. See you tomorrow. Bye.